This is a tutorial for the localization of your website. The localization refers to the language, the date format, and the numbers format, and that can be accessed by going to Options and Localizations. Now, keep in mind, anything that you change here is not going to change the entire website because it's only going to change things that are automatically generated by the platform, such as many of the forms or buttons. However, any text or numbers that you type personally will not change. And a good example of this is if we change the language here, we'll change it to Italian. And when we change that, you'll see here, these are still in English because I've typed these myself because these are free forms. However, the submit button is generated by the platform and that's in Italian now. And these down here are the contact forms and these are generated automatically by the platform and these are changed as well. So anything that you type, because these is titles and headers that I've typed into content blocks or into this form, that's not going to change because that was typed in English. However, anything generated by the platform will change with these. And selecting this will let you change the date format if you want the month, the day, or the year in front. You can change it that way. And this is the numbers format if you want to swap the decimals with the commas or replace them or put spaces. You can change the numbers format right here.